In today's fast-paced digital world, the Proverbs 31 woman emerges as a beacon of empowerment, championing digital literacy in her community. From American suburbs to African villages and Latin neighborhoods, these women harness technology to uplift those around them. They understand that access to digital skills is vital for personal and communal growth. By organizing workshops and training sessions, they break down barriers, ensuring everyone, regardless of their background, can thrive in the digital age. Through their efforts, they teach foundational skills like coding, online communication, and digital security. This empowerment not only enhances individual lives, but also strengthens entire communities, paving the way for economic opportunities and social equity. The Proverbs 31 woman embodies wisdom, using her knowledge to guide others towards financial independence and improved health through technology. She leads by example, demonstrating that success in the modern world is attainable with the right skills. By fostering a culture of learning, these women inspire the next generation to embrace technology, turning aspirations into achievements and dreams into realities. Join the movement and witness the transformation as they redefine what it means to be a modern Proverbs 31 woman.